In this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up your Telegram group chat history. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Telegram group. For this tutorial, I'm using Telegram Desktop. If you want to back up your Telegram group chat history, you won't find an option to do it by right-clicking individual messages. Instead, click on the group name at the top of the chat window. Then click More and select Export Chat History. This will open the Chat Export Settings window. Here you can choose what content you want to include in your backup, such as photos, videos, files, voice messages, and more. In my case, I want to back up everything in the group, so I'll select all available options. Next, choose the export format. You can select either human-readable HTML, which can be viewed in any web browser, or JSON, which is useful for developers and data processing. You can also export both formats at the same time. Personally, I find HTML easier to use, so I'll select HTML. Now choose where you want to save the backup on your computer. I'm going to save mine in the Pictures folder, so it's easy to find later. You can create a new folder if you'd like, then select it and click Select Folder. You'll also see the From and To date options. This allows you to export messages from a specific date range. For this example, I'll export everything from the oldest message up to the present. Feel free to choose a specific date range if that better suits your needs. Once everything is set up, click Export. The export process may take a few seconds or several minutes, depending on how many messages and files are in your group. When the export is complete, you'll see a message that says, "Your data was successfully exported." This means the backup process has finished successfully. Click Show My Data, then open the Messages file. You can choose any web browser installed on your computer to view it, and that's it. You have successfully backed up your Telegram group chat history. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more informative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.